Hi, in this presentation I'm going to show you how to upload a file into Google Docs. So let's say that you want to work on a file offline in Word and then you want to share it with the class or with your professor online in Google Docs. This is how you do it. You will recognize that I'm in my Georgia Southern page and I click once again on My Apps. And go to Documents, which is this little menu over here on the upper left corner. Click on Documents, and then you can see that you have a choice to upload or to create something new. Now, right now, your default position is in Home, so whatever file you upload, you will directly upload to your generic homepage, and it won't be organized in any of these other subfolders that you've created for yourself. So I am going to want to share something with one of my students, for example. If it were you, you could share it with your professors. And I can go into Collection Shared with Me and click on a student's folder, and then I can start the uploading process. For the purposes of this video, I am just going to go ahead and not bother any of my students, and instead I'm just going to upload a file into my Advanced Fiction folder. So as you can see, I clicked on Advanced Fiction here on the left-hand menu side, and now I'm going to click Upload, and it gives me a choice to upload just one file or a couple of files or an entire folder, and then it just gives me some other option which you will get a chance to learn more about later on. So I'm going to click on Files, and it automatically opens my Finder browser in my Mac, and it takes me to the last folder that I opened, which is fine with me. But if you wanted to, naturally, you can just navigate to whatever folder or file you want to upload. And let's see, I just think I'm going to upload the file Henchman, and I'm going to open it. And then Google says if it's okay for me to convert the document, presentation, spreadsheets, and drawings to the corresponding Google Docs, which I think is fine, so I'm going to leave it checked. And then confirm setting before each upload sounds like a reasonable idea, so I'm going to leave it checked as well. And then I'm going to start the upload. And there you have it. Now this file, I already had it, but it appears here into the folder that I designated, which was Advanced Fiction. Now, if for some reason you forgot a step in the process and you didn't click on the right folder that you wanted it in, suppose you really kind of wanted it in fiction and not in Advanced Fiction, well, that's easy enough to fix. All you need to do is go to the file, highlight the file, without clicking on it, until you find this little menu over here called Actions. You click on Actions and click on Organize, and then you take Advanced Fiction off and check Fiction, and when you apply changes, okay, that file now is gone from Advanced Fiction, and here it is in Fiction. So whenever you want to move the file to another folder, that's what you do. You can also check more than one folder at a time. So if you wanted the file to appear in 4 different documents, you could do that. I also want to remind you that this file, although it appears in many different documents, in many different folders, as many as you want, is still the same file. So whatever change you make to this is going to automatically apply to all the places where you can access it from. So it's not like your word processor, your Word or your WordPerfect that you use on the computer. This is actually just a little bit different. You are accessing the same document, you just have links to that document from several different places, several different websites, so to speak. So I'm going to cancel this so as not to make a mess, and I think that's it.